Consumer companies build the world's most sought after and useful products all over the world, providing things such as everyday consumer goods to oil to healthcare products.
At Interscope, we work with companies, top companies all around the world. Some of them, like P&G, General Electric, Halliburton, have facilities around the world, which we also have partners and companies that we deal with directly. We customize equipment for their processes, and we also help them design and build equipment to manufacture these products. We've been in business for over 25 years. We serve customers in over 11 different countries around the world. Some of the reasons why they come to us is because we're ISO 9001 and MBE certified. Some of the other reasons are our delivery and quality. We deliver on time, every time.
The thing I like best about Interscope Manufacturing is our size. It allows for direct communication through all of our departments for our customers. Our 6 main services that we offer include our assembly services, manufacturing, process development or research and development, lifecycle management, our asset recovery program, and our reconfiguration services.
We've been fortunate to work with the top companies around the world and fortunate to be able to help them develop their processes and manufacturing techniques.